Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aquarius. For your daily energies, Aquarius, we are picking few cards, guys. For your love reading, it's going to be like a pick a card. So don't miss on that love reading because it's going to be an elaborate love reading and it may answer any questions that you have regarding your situation, Aquarius. So let's start with the daily reading, guys. Before that, I would like to wish you all a very happy new year, guys. Hope this year brings lot of happiness, success and prosperity in our life, guys, Aquarius. So with these cards, guys, in your situation today, you just want to maybe how circumstances are going today, you just want to remain silent today, just see how things are proceeding, maybe the natural course of events, and you feel that you may do some mistakes if you take that choice or if you make some important decisions and you don't want to make some wrong decisions. So you are just quite waiting to see how things will go today, guys. And also I see that maybe in certain things you are quite successful, or you may have people who are quite successful in life but they are showing their authority and power to you. Maybe it may be someone in your work, your colleague or your friend or someone in your family who are imposing their views and ideas on you because they see you as a failure person maybe, and they are just trying to control you and dominate you in few ways. And also for some of you, you are just dreaming about your goals, guys, dreaming about your future and your future plans, but you are not going for that action. Maybe today the time is for action, guys, Aquarius. If you take up that action, progress towards your goals in a positive way with that determined attitude, maybe you may see success, guys. And whatever you do, whatever your situation is, let it be in career or personal life, you are facing lots of obstacles and troubles, Aquarius. So we see negative energy with these cards, Aquarius, for your situation today. But whatever I say is, whenever we get negative cards, all we need to do is that these are just cards, they are just pointing us towards something we need to correct. We need not worry about what these cards are saying. Whatever we make of ourselves is truly in our hands, guys. So we have to have that trust and faith in ourselves, so we will proceed in a positive way today, Aquarius. So that is the reading for your daily energies, guys. For your love reading, Aquarius, stay tuned for that love reading that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is our first deck and this is the second deck. So whichever deck you choose for yourself, you can choose the pile, and whatever questions you have in your mind regarding your situation, you can think about it, guys, and these cards may answer those questions. So let's start with this first card. I'll be quiet for a few seconds and then we will start the reading. So let's see what we are getting with the first cards here, guys. I'll start after a few seconds. Okay, guys, for those who have chosen this deck, let's see what are the cards. Any questions you have in your situation, you can think about it, and I will open these cards now. So whatever questions you have in your mind, you can think of those questions, guys. Let's see what are these cards here. It's love, star and six of fire. So with these cards in your situation, guys, for those who have chosen this first deck, in this relationship, you are working towards that understanding, and maybe with this person, you both know the truth in each other's heart now. You are understanding each other, and you are renewing your trust and faith you have on each other, and you are doing it in a very unique way, and you are transforming yourself, changing so much, and you have changed so much because of this connection, because of this love. Maybe it is love, true love, that may be the reason that you feel inspired and you feel confident when you are with this person, and you feel encouraged when you are with them, and you are seeing things in a new way now, a new beginning in your life, and you have faith and hope for your future. Maybe the reasons, maybe that this may be true love, that may be the reason that we are getting this very positive energy here, guys. So for those, if you are in a position, if you are thinking about this connection, whether you want to take that next step forward, whether you want to go for that deep commitment, this may be the right time, guys. This person loves you, and maybe for some of you, it may even be an unconditional love. That may be the reason for these cards. We have a very positive set of cards here. So you are working towards that greater understanding and love in this connection, guys. So that is what we see with these cards, guys. For those who have chosen this deck, this love is unconditional, and you will be happy if you take a positive step, maybe with deeper commitment. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this deck. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys. So let's see what are coming with these cards, guys. For those who chose the second deck, we'll be picking 3 cards again from this deck. Let's see what are these cards. So whatever questions you have in your mind about your situation, you can think about it, and I will turn these cards now. It's the Devil, Temperance in reverse, and the Moon in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, this may be what you feel about this person, or what they feel about you, about this connection. So in this relationship, you are what to say, in a phase of your life, you are doing things to make yourself happy. You are quite selfish. Maybe it may be your energy, or that person you are involved with, their energy. So you are trying to trick yourself. Maybe you're not telling the truth about yourself, and you're trying to get this attention of this person, attraction. You are attracted to them. It may be on the physical level, guys. So again, this may not be a deep, meaningful connection. So that may be the reason that we see these cards, and you are quite impatient. You want to go forward in this connection. Maybe you have that physical attraction with this person, and you want to go forward. You have a very aggressive attitude towards this connection, or this may be their attitude towards you, or you may be competing with somebody to take this person. So you just want that, have that fling with this person, have that short relationship. Maybe it may be a physical kind of a relationship, not that deep bonding or deep connection at that emotional level. You may not share with this person, guys. So you just want to have fun. Maybe for some of you, you are also influenced by some bad habits, guys. So your behavior, it may not be rational. This may be your energy or this person's energy. So you need to be really careful if your person is under the spell of some addiction, some bad habits, drinking, smoking, something of that sort. So you need to be really careful with them, because they are not stable, and their mind will not be stable, and they will not stick to the point they say. So whatever they speak or whatever their actions are, you cannot have that total trust on them, guys. So that is what I see with these cards. For those who have chosen this deck, this love is just a casual thing, it is not a meaningful love. So if you are interested in a casual relationship, you can go for this person, guys. So that is what I see with these cards for those who have chosen the second deck. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.